Ayurvedic kidney cleanse formula. Renal function. Our kidneys are vital organs in our body that have to perform many tasks daily, like adjusting blood pressure, regulating the water levels, excreting the wastes out such as urea, toxins, excess salts, etc., and managing the body's acid level. In this video, you will know kidney stone causes, symptoms, natural solution. Causes of kidney stone. Kidney stones are likely to form when the urine excretion is decreased, or a stone-forming substance is present in the urine. The most common form of kidney stone is due to calcium being combined with either oxalate or phosphate. Other compounds cover uric acid and amino acid cysteine. Lack of water intake, especially while performing the vigorous exercise, elevates the chances of kidney stones. Delaying urination may also cause stone formation. Symptoms of kidney stone. Some of the common symptoms of kidney stones are the unexpected rise of cramps or severe pain in the abdomen, nausea or vomiting or both, and blood in the urine. If the person is suffering from a urinary tract infection, UTI, then there is a shivering feeling, and many are accompanied by fever. Natural solution. Kidney stones herbal treatment is one of the most effective remedies for breaking the stones in kidneys. This method has a list of essential herbs renowned for smashing kidney stones by making the strong bond fragile so that the small broken particles of stone pass out through the excretion with urine. The process also prevents the stone from reoccurring, which is possible if a person goes through surgeries. This kidney stones herbal treatment can also be taken by those who have had surgery for its removal but want to prevent themselves from its recurrence. The method does not harm anyone and fully supports the body with its detoxification. UT Clear capsules are wonderfully beneficial herbal kidney detox supplements that can be used at the convenience of home by a person of any age. These supplements possess herbs that have intrinsic properties to improve kidney health and clear toxin buildup in these. Vital herbs. The herbal ingredients of UT Clear are Taj, Alubalu, Kankaj, Cacti, Pathurchar, Soan, Kali Musli, Samundra Sash, Jawakar, Shilajit, McCoy, Goksharu, Amba Haldi, Alachi Badi, Varna, Karpuri, Bastimoda, and Kulthi. These herbs are rejuvenating, protective and curative, and diuretic to increase urine output and keep kidneys clean and healthy. The combination of Pathurchar, Bastimoda, Goksharu, McCoy, Kankaj, and Cacti is terrific for eliminating blockages posed by the deposition of crystals of minerals. These eliminate mineral precipitate and also prevent the formation of stones. These herbs' properties are so excellent that they can remove existing stones by disintegrating them into pieces to keep the kidneys' tubules clear and their functions higher. People prone to suffer from kidney stones get adequate protection by using this supplement and avoid surgeries that harm kidney health. Shilajit, Taj, Kali Musli, and Amba Haldi rejuvenate and protect cell damage due to toxins and harmful free radicals. These also enhance immunity and improve metabolism to lower uric and oxalic acid levels, which bind crystals and form stones. These also eliminate toxins and harmful substances in the digestive system and ensure smooth metabolism of fat and minerals responsible for blocking kidneys. Most of the herbs used in these supplements are diuretic in nature. These increase urine output and eliminate mineral crystals, salts, and acids from the body. Healthy urine output also protects kidneys from infections and keeps them clear and healthy. Anti-inflammatory properties of herbs diffuse swelling and heal injuries faster and maintain optimum functions. World's finest kidney care pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy UT Clear capsule from ayushremedies.in.
The product link is given in the video description.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.